Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing, hit those likes and write some comments down there. Today we are working on a 2013 Jeep Wrangler. They even got some Wrangler jeans badge. They're so proud of their Wrangler. The main thing is the glove box. We've done a lot of work to this car, and the only pieces left is the mirror and the glove box. So let me rip this thing out, see what I got going on. I got a nice new unit from the dealer. Shouldn't be too hard. Let me see what we got going on. Oh yeah, well, let's make life easy for me and just remove the glove box. Do you see that at the ends? You'll see where your the glove box meets the end here, like a stopper. You just pull it out a little bit, pull the other side, and that's it. So I'm gonna carry this mess to my work area, so I don't make a mess inside this car. Like I said, we've done a lot of work on this. A tree fell on it. We had a storm not too long ago, and the tree fell down and smashed the window and broke the frame and ripped the top. We just put a new top on it. It's actually my brother's vehicle. It was my brother's vehicle. It was totaled out after the storm, and my other brother bought it and rebuilt it. So now we just doing the final finishes so we can get it rechecked, back on the road. So yeah, let me get this thing to my little work area. Like I said, it's a 2013. It doesn't have that many miles. I believe it was like under 80, maybe even a little over 80, and it was a total loss. There was a lot more damage than just all that stuff. Less than 80. 79,000. So yeah, let me get this over to my work area and swap out the handle for them. Alright, I'm in my little area. I have a little more light. It looks like all I gotta do is remove these 3 screws and it should just come out. I'll see what goes on with the lock once I do that, because it does have a lock on there. Like I said, this thing, we had a storm a couple weeks ago, and big tree branch damaged this vehicle and my brother's trailer and a couple of his toys. And my other brother, which is like an adopted brother in a way, he purchased it from the other brother, who's also an adopted brother. And now we just had to rebuild it. So, well, let me check this other one that's in the package. Let me open this package up, because I do need this lock. But it looks like it just comes out. I might just need the key. Oh no, right here. Alright, let me get this stuff swapped around. I'll be right with you guys. Alright folks, yeah, I just sat here and looked at it real quick. It's pretty easy. It's got a little pin right here that when you put it in a lock position, that's where it goes. But if I can find the key, I believe that's the lock position. Alright, when the key's in the up and down position, that little nub isn't there. But when it's in the side to side position, you know, when it goes from up and down to side, you see that little piece appears. So all I did was, yeah, this thing's pretty annoying, that flat. All you gotta do is just push it in and pull on it. you push in the little this little piece here. I don't know if it focuses in right here. You push that in and you pull on it and it'll come out. Well, you turn it some more. You push it and you turn some more. Probably be easier with the key in it. Let me see if I can grab me a cameraman for 2 seconds and I'll be able to show you how that works. Everybody's either at lunch or preoccupied, so I'm not gonna bother them. I'll see if I can do this one-handed. I'm gonna say you just push this little pin in right here. You push it in and you turn the key a little more to the right. See, the pin is gone. You turn it more to the right and then you just pry it out. And then you just transfer it over to the new unit. You'll see it lines up only a certain way. So once you find its spot, which should be like right here, there it is, it's in place. You just turn it. There's that pin again. Now you just test to see if it works. So I may have to hold it again. Yes, it does. It just turned. Yep, I'm up and down again. Just one-handed pain in the butt. Yes, I will be having a tripod shortly, but who knows. So yeah, now I just put it back in. As you guys saw, it just goes in and out. It's really one way it kind of goes. And you just put it back in and attach the screws. Well, because I'm one-handed, let me see if I can get it started one-handed. I've already done enough with it. But not many more videos will be one-handed, folks. I've got stuff in the works, I promise. So, yeah, it's possible to do one-handed. Alright folks, I'm going to tighten this up, bring it over to the car, and do a complete install. Alright, I put the screws in there. When you guys do it, it might be a pain to do it because the new part is not threaded. So, you know, you just got to force it in there. Just make sure you keep it as straight as possible. So you just check it out. The latch works now. Very good, very good. Always double check, make sure everything is good. Yep. All right, now we just put it back in the vehicle. Pretty much just like you took it out. You'll see here at the base is where the bottom of the glove box attaches. You'll see those tabs. Just line it up and you grab the end, you push it back in. See how it kind of just snaps in. Now you just test. I don't even know if there's the key for this. Probably not. Let me go grab those keys again and see if the lock still works. All right, put the key in. You know it's open. Let me lock it. Nice and secure. Not so much rattling. Unlock it for him. There you go. I don't know where this key came from. But we get so many cars. It was probably on the shelf, and somebody was like, "Oh yeah, that's the Jeeps." Or maybe that's a valet or something. But I always thought the gray was. Who knows? Well, actually, that's a Ram. Man, that's a Ram. All right, folks. There's your glove box. Latch. Nothing crazy. These Jeep Wranglers are like fairly easy to work on. This one's got like all the nice little gadgets, a different top, flared out wheels. It's pretty cool. It's not like my brother used to off-road or anything, but he used to love it. Rock the doors off and everything. But that'll be it, folks. That's it. This is a 2013 Jeep Wrangler glove box latch. So I appreciate you guys coming by. Remember, subscribe. Check out one of these other little videos. Hit that subscribe, please. See that little icon right there. Hit them thumbs up. Just the one. All right. Peace out, everybody. Share the love. Be nice to each other.